Everybody, welcome back for another episode of R32 Skyline build. So uploaded the first video of the Skyline. I realized that my audio was really bad, so I decided to purchase a new microphone. The voice quality will be better. So just on the first video, I just walked through what I did so far and all the stuff. So today's work, so I just put it down on a piece of paper, so what I have to do and all that stuff, what's left before the engine has to go in. But so far, what else I did was after the video, I installed the new windshield washer fluid. So that's a new universal. I just purchased from Amazon. It's pretty solid. It comes with the pump and all the stuff you need. I just wired. It basically just like a plug and play, except Skyline has a front windshield wiper and the rear. So I delete the. I'm not gonna use the rear. So it's small, pretty good. Exactly, it fits in here. It was only $18, which is really good. It's like brand new. The old one was really crusty and bad, and I can't really clean it up. So I have more space for activities here, so which is good. I already wired that up. It's all set. There you go. I tucked all the wires in. I also replaced the new with the new hose also, so might as well just replace it with the new one because it already comes with it. What else I did was I picked this up from Amazon also. Coolant Overflow tank, aluminum. It's black, which is pretty good. Like I said, the same thing as in the windshield washer fluid tank. With this, it was old and bad. So since I relocate the battery, I have some little bit space. So basically, I made a bracket, L bracket, for this tank. It's gonna be staying like this. I also replaced, so basically rewrapped all the wires. So it's basically kind of looks like a new. I'm still figuring out what to do with the power steering. I don't know, I really want to get a new one because it looks like it's leaking from the top a little bit. So we'll see. I'll keep doing research. What kind of tank you use and all that stuff. We'll get back. And I still have some extra lines from clutch master and also from rear steering. I have to delete those. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I will be deleting all this extra lines. I forgot to mention, I already installed this power steering cooler. So there you go. It looks pretty good. I have this L bracket here, and I have a L bracket there. I did not make extra holes on the car. It had those holes from here. That was from stock intercooler. So stock intercooler was right here. So I'll be running front mount intercooler. So I delete that. So basically I'm gonna be running that. And also what I did was I just picked this guy up from Amazon. Also, it wasn't expensive. It was pretty good. It was small fan, old fan. I mean, that was old, so might as well just get this bad boy up. There you go. It looks pretty good. I wired it up. I put it in with the it has a plug, so whenever you have to take it, I can just do this. That's it. It's connected, and just put it back in like that. Easy. There you go. It looks pretty good. Installed all the AC lines like I said before. What else I did? Okay, yep, that's it. So like I said, I'll be working on the deleting all the extra hotlines and working underneath the car today. Today we're gonna be going and deleting all the extra hotlines and all that stuff. And I said I have a little bit of under rust, surface rust on the bottom. Like I said, when you guys gonna buy any car, make sure check the underneath because it's really important. This car was, I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of rust, and there's a lot of dents and all that stuff. So basically, I guess, there's space up here. I don't know if you can see, that's the transmission right here. So basically what we're gonna delete, there's this two lines right here, this two, that's for rear steering. It's called Hicas. I said earlier how I'll be deleting those because I'm not gonna need it. It goes all the way back, and also this guy. So this guy, that's for a clutch. So basically, that's the transmission right here. So there's a clutch line, goes from here, and then goes to this guy. It goes to this guy, and there's a lot of extra lines that we're not gonna be using. So I'm gonna be taking the extra lines and also removing the rear steering line because we don't need it. And then I'll be cleaning these guys. There's a rail, there's a little bit of like a lot of small dents and all that stuff, so I'll be cleaning this up. I have to raise the car a little bit because it's way too low. I don't have that much space in the beam to work with, so it's gonna be really hard to record underneath, and it's really dark. You're not gonna be able to see. So I'll go ahead and do it, and once I'm done, I'll show you guys the result. I'm still trying to rear steering. The reason why we're removing is so far I removed this guy here. So if you can see here, it's really bad. It's shot. So these guys, they're not really that strong. So imagine if you go on the highway, you're going like 50-60 miles an hour, and this guy is gonna broke and you're gonna be screwed. So that's a good thing to move. So this is the steering rack, this is the lines, all the stuff, everything unbolted except this guy. This guy doesn't want to come out. I tried everything, hammered and everything. I really don't want to cut it. I'll try to hammer it a couple more times. If that's gonna work out, then I'll probably just gonna chop it out. Try it a couple more times. If not, I'll just chop it out. And also, this is the bash bar. I'm painting it. Almost painted. Same color, black, gloss black with the gold flakes. I just have to do a couple more clear coat, and it's gonna be all good. It's gonna be done. So yeah. All right. Let me try that out, and I'll get back to you guys. So this is the rack. This is the line. Basically goes in there. That's the thing, connects the ECU and goes all the way to the front. So I removed it completely. So it's out. We finished with the removing it, and now I still have to purchase the delete kit, Stingray delete kit. It's gonna be like $260, $270, around those prices. It's for delete kit, completely delete kit. There's a couple of them. Basically, you just lock. You're just gonna lock, so it's not gonna move anyway. but that's it's not the great one. So basically I just decided to delete everything, and we'll have a more room in the engine bay to play with, and it's gonna look cleaner, and we're gonna take it out extra weight, so it's good for us. So now, alright guys, I was trying to figure out where to mount the 4-way union for the brakes. I don't really know where exactly to put it. I have this little bracket. I'll put it right here for now. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't want to be here because it's too high. It doesn't look that good. I need a couple of 90-degree fittings up here. So for example, if it's gonna stay here, I will run 90 here, so I'll run the lines like that. So I want to have a really nice look. Now a couple 90s here, that one is fine. So what I decide for now, I'll leave it there right now, right there. Put the engine in and then figure out, because for example, if I put it there, what if it's not gonna fit? What if it's gonna hit the engine? So I have to hold off for now. I will just order a couple more 90-degree fitting, and then
that's all.
And then after I put the engine in, then I'll figure that out. But main thing, the cylinder, brake cylinder, clutch master cylinder in, so they're good to go. That's good. And then that's the bracket for coolant reservoir. I didn't put it yet. I'll be putting it tomorrow. I still want to clean a couple of wires up there.